You love cake. I love cake. This guy loves cake. Who doesn't love cake? So, how do you get this delicious disaster off your face? I bet you'd wipe it off with a napkin, right? Nope, wrong choice, buddy. Shower that off with water. See? You're feeling so fresh and so clean. Just like a baby's bottom. Now imagine your face is your butt. Just go with it. You just enjoyed that angel food experience, and now it's all over your trap. Why are you using dry toilet paper to smear that sticky, icky mess across your back alley? Harness the power of the shower. You need WonderSpray, the world's most powerful butt shower. What's a butt shower? I'll show you. WonderSpray is a portable butt shower designed to provide the cleanest and most refreshing bathroom experience. WonderSpray uses pressurized water. The key here is water, people, to get that poo-poo off your tushy. You've been spreading bacteria and causing rashes when you wipe those buns with sandpaper, I mean toilet paper. When you should be cleaning with water. Ding, ding, ding. Water, which also eliminates toilet paper waste. Yes!
Wait, back it up. You say it's portable?
You bet your bottom's dollar I did. Enjoy that clean feeling wherever you go. Brainstorm that rump roast in any restroom. Clean those cushions at the campground. Polish your padding in a porta potty. Shower your shaker for a better shopping spree. By now, you're wondering, how does it work? Simply fill WonderSpray with water at your preferred temperature. Trust me, go with warm. Choose the water pressure level from light to wonder. Pick light for a comfortable, gentle wash. Or Wonder Mode for those stubborn particles.
I'm going Wonder Mode, for sure.
Push the button for a clean and refreshing, wonderful spray. The modern, sleek, and easy-to-carry bottle allows you to use WonderSpray wherever you go. It's fully waterproof, there's no touch cleaning, and charges with any USB 3 cable. WonderSpray is the world's ultimate butt shower. Why? It makes getting a dainty derriere as easy as washing cake off your face. It's time for you to experience the wonder of WonderSpray. Support our campaign today.